If you want to call and text on other devices with your Samsung Galaxy A37, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna proceed to connected devices, and then here we should be able to find call and text on other devices, which works. Let's actually go ahead and tap and continue. We need to grant some permissions. There we go. Now we can also allow Bixby and text on Galaxy devices, so we can turn this option on. And if we go back, we can also choose the SIM that we want to use in order to be able to call and text on other devices. We need to also, for example, choose this phone to be the primary one in case you had another phone selected as the primary one before. And now over here, we should be able to have the option to call on other devices and text on other devices. And here we can also read that we can call and text from your Galaxy tablet, watch, computer, or speaker using the phone's number and mobile plan. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.